Everybody in their own mind is tuned to a frequency. So in this frequency, they can only see what it is they're tuned to. It doesn't matter what the actual truth is. You will seek to find and tune to the frequency of the information you have received or that you are receiving. The thing that you're sending out to hook in is out there. You will find it. But it doesn't mean whether you had an argument about the shape of the earth, whether you had an argument about astrology, you're going to find what it is you believe, right? And of course, in the internet realm, yeah, I get that you could just go to Google and there's going to be something on the internet that actually supports the thing you're trying to say. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying that the universe only reveals what it is you seek, right? So if you seek a round or flat, if you seek statistical evidence that astrology is yes or no, you're going to find it. But there is a definitive truth. We have to stop steering around the fact that there are definitive truths in the realm. There is laws, meaning that when I knock on my piano, but let's say I believed, oh no, my knuckle's going to go through this. No, you're in this realm. And in astrological terms, this is Saturn. Saturn puts the bars up, it puts the limitations up of the reality. It's like with anything, right? If a certain part in a car doesn't work right, the car doesn't run, right? So this realm that we live in has laws, it has rules, it has restrictions, it has limitations. It's like you're in the body and the brain, the mind, the consciousness of you is tuned into the brain, and you're in the vessel. So then, now you're in here, and so there are laws to this body, right? So while you're in this body, you can't break those laws, right? Now, is there hacks like there is in like a video game and computer? I'm sure, but the fact is, this is such a complex place that it can't be just like a video game where you have a cheat code and you put things in. But what I'm saying is, because I keep seeing the flat earth argument and I keep seeing other shit being said by people, and whether it's actually about the big thing that's going on for the past 2 years, you're going to always find what it is you're seeking. It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter if it's true or not. You're going to find what you think is true, and then you're going to find the facts. The universe has this ability to just show you whatever it is you're seeking, whatever it is you're looking for, whatever your unconscious or subconscious or even conscious, but more so of just like, if you don't realize you're being biased or you're not even giving an unbiased chance to, let's say, a debate or argument or topic, it doesn't matter. If you are in your mind at some level saying, oh, this is this, or I believe that this is this, the universe somehow in some way, and I don't know the function exactly with this, will have you walk on a timeline, a reality timeline. You're gonna siphon through the internet, you're gonna run into people, you're gonna deal with certain things that give you little synchronicity clues on the thing that it is you're looking for. The only way to find the truth is tuning to the frequency of the truth. And what does that mean? It means that you don't know jack fucking shit yet. Meaning, like, to get the real truth, you have to get the false truths you've already been programmed with out of your mind. You have to clear your mind, clear your biased bullshit that you've already been fed from other people and whatever since you've been growing up. You have to learn to become empty. And when you become empty and then ask the universe for the truth, it will show you. The thing is it's very hard for people to get their ego out of the way and their programs and their belief systems out of the way, that they think even if they did what I just said, that they'd be doing it. They probably still haven't let go of what they originally believed. You have to open up and give things another chance. You have to suspend your beliefs to go find the truth. Because if you don't, you're saying you know the truth already more than, that's it. You have the truth, right? And so if you feel like you have the truth and you think you have the truth, the universe is going to make you feel and think that way and show you things that you're right. Because the universe always says, yes, you're right, absolutely. But it doesn't mean you're right in the definitive term. It's in the subjective term. It's in your own terms. There are definitive truths, and the only way we're going to find those is if we get our subjective bullshit truths out of the fucking way. I'm so sick of watching people argue. I'm a little fired up because I'm sitting here watching people debate. And the way people debate, it's like, it's all fucking ego. Most of the time. There's some people out there I could tell who have a great heart and they're doing it for the right reasons. And they're not doing it for some self-serving agenda. But there are a lot of people, or most people that I witness do. Maybe I attract that, by the way, as I'm, this is how complex it can get. It's like, am I attracting? But no, I know. The thing is no, because I'm not like that. I'm not seeking an answer from one side or the other. I'm just seeking the answer, I don't have no, I'm not creating this self-fulfilling prophecy because, I already believe something and I know it in my heart, so I got to find it. Everything up to this point that I've discovered in my research and exploring of information has always come from, look, I don't give a shit in the first place what side I'm on or this and that. And the world made me this way because watching politics and the red and blue and all that bullshit made me hate the competitiveness when it came to the facts of life, to people's lives and their well-being and where we are and what we're doing and what goes on and all that. I just want to know the truth. I don't care who's right. The fact is, I just want the right answer, right? And that's what it takes. It takes to drop the bullshit. Get out of your own fucking way. You will tune to the frequency you are, the frequency you emit, the thoughts, beliefs, emotions, everything, the patterns, behavior patterns, all that stuff that you have embedded in you that you have not gotten rid of yet is attracting the reality and the so-called truths you experience. You got to let go of the shit. This is the only way the truth community will come together, and this is the only way we're going to arrive at the truth itself, because there is definitive truths. If there wasn't, then that means if I changed my beliefs about this piano and I said, I believe that I could put my hand through it, like in a way where it's through the matter, not break it, but just bypass matter. No, you're in this body, you're in this realm, there are laws, there are definitive truths. So where we're at as humans when it comes to what our home really is, and what I say astrology is, or what all these crazy 5D things really are, you have to be careful. It's a slippery slope when you realize you're going to attract the things you're looking for. What you seek will find you. What you seek is seeking you.